and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some cards that I made using dies and glimmer plates from one of my crafty friends, Yana Smakula. Yana is a designer for Spellbinders, and she's also a media director for them. And she has been crafting for quite a long time. And so anyhow, let me show you what I've done here. It was a lot of fun using things like my papers, dies, and even some items from this month's Spellbinders card making kit. And so let me show you the first card. So this one is just a plain card. I did use one of the card bases from the Spellbinders card kit of the month. I used the hot plate. Let me show you. I don't know if hot plate is the correct word for it, but I went ahead and used the glimmer plate from Yana's, and this is the stock number. And I will go ahead and put my affiliate links in the description area below. And just so you all know, I do get a small commission if you click on my link. The price remains the same, it doesn't change any, and I do hope that you click on my link so I can feed my cats. So I went ahead and used these plates, and I also used these dies over here. This is the style number, and so she has this font, which is very, very chic, very modern. And what I like about it is not only is it chic and modern and thin, but it also comes with a background that you can use it. It's up to you. I went ahead and I used the background on this one. So over here we have another card. This is not my paper. This is just from a Tuesday morning haul that I did on my Facebook page. And so anyhow, right over here, I layered the background like 3 times, I believe. See, you can tell that it's a little bit on the thick side. And this says birthday, and I went ahead and used these 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 plates that are from this collection right over here. That's the stock number. And let me show you what else I made. Now, this card, I went ahead and did my own base. Okay, so this one is my own card base. And these are all 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, our traditional sizes. And I did use some of the add-ons from the Spellbinders card making kit for January 2022. And I went ahead and used my glitter cardstock for happy birthday. And these are the dies that I used, but I decided not to go with the background this time. So just so y'all can see, this is without background, this is with background, and this is with background. Now, here is another card that I have attempted for the very first time on my own. I used to have a die that used to do this, but I gave it away. And it was a Spellbinders die. Here, let me go ahead and put this here. And so I followed a couple of tutorials, and like I said, it's my first card. It didn't quite exactly come out like I wanted it to. The measurements were off a little bit. And so I'm going to have to go in and tailor it to me, to my personal use. But I think it came out okay. It's a thank you card. It just says thanks. I just used background paper from my stash, and this paper right here is for my paper collection, and I will go ahead and link you to that down below as well. And it's one of these cards. Ta-da! Like I said, this one was an experimental, and I did have to make a few adjustments. I hope that you like these cards. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a meaningful comment and a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. Bye.